EExd and EExe cable glands fitting instructions. Pass back nut and gland ring over the conduit and conductors, ensuring the cutouts of the gland ring race the enclosures. Pass spigot over the conductors and screw into the conduit. Remove the rubber pot from the entry, pass the entry over the conductors. Assemble the gland and tighten back nut onto entry until the gland ring is drawn into the spigot, then remove entry. Epoxy compound preparation. When handling this material, the gloves supplied must be worn. The epoxy compound is supplied in the form of a two-part package. These should be mixed into the ratio of 1:1 until both colours have blended into one without any streaks. Rolling and folding is the most satisfactory method of obtaining an even blend. Once mixed, the compound must be used within 30 minutes. After this time, it will begin to stiffen. The compound should be kept at an ambient temperature of no less than 20 degrees Celsius prior to using. At lower temperatures, it becomes difficult to mix. Should any compound come into contact with the skin, it should be cleaned off with skin cleaner and not allowed to dry on the skin. Only compound for immediate terminations should be mixed. Spread the conductors out for the compound packing. Pack the compound between the conductors as shown. With all gaps and voids filled, bring the conductors back together and pack more compound around the outside of the conductors. Tape the conductors together to prevent disturbance of the compound seal. Pass the rubber pot over the spigot and remove any surplus compound from the top of the rubber pot and the joint face as indicated. Pass the conductors through the entry, which may have been previously fitted into the equipment. Ensure that compound does not cover end of the rubber pot. Fit the rubber pot into the entry. Locate and hand tighten back nut to the entry. Important note: the conductors must not be moved for a minimum of 4 hours. Allow the compound to cure. Untighten the back nut from the entry to enable inspection. The rubber pot may be removed for inspection to ensure that the compound packing is satisfactory. Add further compound if necessary. Reassemble the rubber pot and the entry. Hand tighten the back nut onto the entry and add half a turn with a spanner or wrench. Visit our website www.kopex-ex.com for further details.